Hey guys, welcome to Smartphonefan. Here we have the latest Redmagic 7, another gaming model in the market, and it is the latest gaming model from Redmagic. Today we will have a very quick and simple unboxing video, and I will introduce the basic specification of this model, and you can check the performance and check the appearance of this smartphone. So here, this is the box of this model. As we can see, there are lots of elements in the box compared to other normal models or normal phone brand. The gaming model, I think they spend more time on designed books. It's not the normal one here. There are lots of cartoon elements and all of attractive characters on the books. Here in the front of the books, you can see there's a Redmagic name here, the logo, red logo and white logo as a background, a lot of robots and aircraft and the warrior element in the front of the books. Okay, in the other side of books, you can also see the some characters of Redmagic and also cartoon element here. The warrior character and the Redmagic red color logo. So I will say it's a very unique and different books compared to the normal phones. It will attract me, and it will also be more attractive to the gaming phone users. So yes, I think I will give 8 to 9 rate to this books for this gaming model. So today we have the cyberpunk color, and we have the high specification version. So let's see what's inside the books, and we will talk about the other specifications when we unbox it. Okay, here, let's open it. Okay, yes, cannot waiting to see what's inside the books. Here we have another package covered in the books. Here I think it's case. Okay, let's see what's inside the books. Ping, Nubia, warranty card. Okay, warranty card. Here, instructions. The Redmagic 7 instructions. Okay, instructions. Okay, something special. Redmagic official character. Brand, Chinese brand name, English brand name, some characters and some stickers. Yes, I think we can put it in the things that you want to put, like your notebook or your book or something else. You can put. It's another way to let you remember their brand more easier. Yes, it's kind of way to do marketing. Also, it's very attractive. Correct. It's beautiful female. I remember when I watched this new product release conference, the host, they talk with this character. They talk, and this cartoon, they can talk and answer questions. I think it's kind of AR or VR way to build the connection between the fans and the brand. Also, it can build a culture and gaming culture to let you remember and to more easy to remember this brand. Yes. Okay, this is the sticker paper also. Okay, this is the case. This is case. Okay, it's not pure transparent case, but it's a bit black and gray, hard, not so soft, good quality. Yes, it can fit the. I think it's a lot of holes and a lot of element lines, corners. It can fit the smartphone very well, I think. Yes. Next case, okay, let's put them aside. Okay, here I think it's a smartphone. Okay, let's take it out, and before we check the smartphone, we will have we'll see what's under the smartphone. Here, a paper. Okay, you can scan the QR code to get some gift cards or see them of your channel, social media channels, or to join their WhatsApp group, fans group. Okay, put them aside. Here, red cable. Yes, dual Type-C cable, real red dual Type-C cable, good quality as well. Also, we have the okay, the Type-C charger. It's a big charger, very heavy, not so light. Oh my god, because it's supported to 100 and you can see it, 165 watt fast charger. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so fast. As far as I see, this is much faster than the normal phones, even faster than the other gaming models. It supports 165 watt. I think you can charge your smartphone normally if the battery is 4,500 to 5,000 battery. It can charge fully from 0 to 100% in 15 to 20 minutes. Yep, because I have did the test before. Okay, I think this is other stuff in the book, so let's put them aside and check the smartphone itself. Here, whoa, we have the smartphone, the cyberpunk color. Yes, cyberpunk color, and from the appearance, I will say it's a bit similar to the Redmagic 6 and 6 Pro, very similar design. But also have something special here. Also here, yes, the LEI button. The cooling system. I think it's the upgraded cooling system. Okay, next up, I think I will talk about the basic specification of this smartphone. Okay, first let's talk about the processor of this smartphone. It uses the latest SD Generation 8 processor. It's the fastest and the most power-saving processor in the market. Also, it supports LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1. These three main features make it as a flagship, as not no double. Also, this model is the 12 GB plus 256 RAM. So the RAM and ROM is also flagship. It's also can have big and very big storage. So you no need to worry about the speed of this smartphone. Also, the GPU of this model is the latest Android 730. Yes, it's also the latest technology. Also, besides the processor of this smartphone, we can see the screen. It's a big screen. It's 6.8-inch screen. Okay, it supports up to 160 refresh rate. I think 165 refresh rate in the market is the most powerful and most best performance screen in the market. You can see, yes, you can see here. It's the front camera. Because this is not the 7 Pro, so you can see the front camera is a bit side left. In the 7 Pro, they use the under display front under screen display. Yes, here camera here. This is the screen. It's a AMOLED screen, also 2K display reflection. Yes, you can see here. Let's go to the camera part. It supports triple camera. See, 1, 2, 3 triple camera, real triple camera. The main camera is 64 megapixel, and the second is 8 megapixel wide angle, and another is 2 megapixel macro lens. It's a bit similar to the another game model K50, so a bit same. This is the camera. So I think you have main camera, wide angle, and macro lens. You can cover all kinds of environment. It can give you very good shooting or camera experience. This is a real trip camera. Also, I forget to tell you the front camera of this smartphone is 8 megapixel as well, so you can get good selfie pictures. Also here, dual color LED flashlight. Next is about the battery. Before I told you it has the very fast charging cable, and the charger is support 165 watt. So with the 4500 battery inside this smartphone and work with this big charger, it can truly charge fully in 20 minutes, because the 165 is only work with Pro, but in the 7 edition it will support only 120 watts, so it's not as fast as the Pro edition, but it also can charge very fast with this big charger. So this is the battery. The battery part. Actually, you no need worry about the battery. You can charge it in 20 minutes. Maybe when you play games. Okay, play games, you can charge it, so you need to worry about it. Also, you just take a nap or have rest, it can get fully charged. So it's very quick and very nice, fast charger. Also, another thing I want to mention is there's some special element here. Like here, it's the window of for the cooling system. This time they upgrade the cooling system. It's about dual VC cooling system. So here you can see a window, and here you can see another window. So you play games, the fans can cooling the smartphone very quickly, and you can see the fans inside the smartphone when I turn on the smartphone. Okay, here is the speaker, Type-C charging cable, SIM card slot. Also here we will have a lock and unlock button. Okay, some other mentions is I think some mention is here. It's not like the real or physical LERE button. Is also they also still use the virtual button when you play games. Here you can see it's not the physical button. You can just touch it. It touch sense. You can touch it when you play games. Here. So you play games like this, and the temperature or the heat go here and here. So you can play long time, but the smartphone is still in low temperature. Yes, very nice design. Also their official test, it can support Genshin and other games very fluently because the screen is nice. It's both 165 refresh rate, so most of games it can support perfectly, so you no need to worry about it. Actually, for most of your demands, it can fully meet your demands. Okay, finally I have 10 on the smartphone. Key exchange, transfer data, activation and stuff. Next page, done. Okay, let's answer it. Redmagic required, your camera permission. I have to set. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. To use a very short video to attract you. Yeah, so finally we enter the smartphone and we can see some details of the smartphone now. Wait, here is the same because we choose this correct as the same, so it's the wallpaper and the back cover crease is balanced and it looks nice, the wallpaper and the color of the back cover. Okay, finally we entered. Okay, wallpaper come easily. Okay, they will choose the change the wallpaper automatically. You can see camera, agree. Ten times zoom. Pause phone. Redmagic status. Yes, they use the latest Redmagic OS 5. Storage, RAM, ROM, CPU. Okay, a lot of information you can find here. Okay, other low apps. What about the apps? Here. You can see you turn on the fan of this smartphone. Turn on. Okay. You hear the fan works now. But when I turn off, okay, it will stop work. Yes, okay. Okay, this is the very quick and simple unbox video of this smartphone. And let's stay tuned and waiting for more cooling and interesting gadgets from here, from Smartphone Fan. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.